Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I am Moses and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. This video is sponsored by Mars-Hydro. I'm going to give you a discussion of what my future plans are as far as seed starting, and also show you or talk to you about how I'm going to do that. So in previous videos concerning seed starting, you have seen me grow my seeds or start my seeds under the Mars-Hydro TES1000 and the FC3000 grow lights. And it is my intention to do that once I get situated in my new home. This is the Mars-Hydro FC3000. It's backed by a trusted 5-year warranty, and since I've had it, I've had no problems with it. It puts out a great amount of light that covers every area inside the grow bag. It can be daisy chained, and it is able to be controlled by the app, and it also has a dimmer on the front of it. The FC3000 is designed with adjustable light bars, dimming of daisy change. It has a quick heat sink, and it has a exclusively designed light spectrum. I've been using it for about 6 months, and like I said, I have no issues with it. It's easy to raise and lower it using the cables that came with it. When I do start my seeds, what I normally do is lower it to within about 12 inches, maybe 18 inches of the floor. That way it's not sitting directly on top of my seed tray. But as soon as the seeds pop through the soil, the first thing that they see is the grow light, and I can brighten it up. The things that I like the most about it is the zipper and zipper light proof strip. It's a seamless, smooth zipper with a double flap that allows very minimal light leakage. And this is what I'm talking about. Here's the flap, and up underneath it is the zipper. And then in the corner down here are 2 zippers. Very little light, if any, comes out. Another thing that I like about it is the preview flap. It's Velcro. It comes down, and instead of having to open it all the way up, I can sneak a peek by looking inside to see how everything is doing. Another thing that I like about it are the poles. Now, while the poles aren't necessarily very thick, they are sturdy, and it's able to hold a fair amount of weight. If you look in the back here, you'll see that it's holding the fan, and it's also holding the filter, and doing it relatively easily. I also like the fact that it has several of the openings here that are double sealed. There's one here, and then there's one inside of it. Depending on how it is configured, the electrical cords can come out here on the side and be sealed and not allow any light seepage whatsoever, like right here. And depending on what grow light that you have, it is able to hold that very well with no problem. I like the Mylar coating on the inside of it. The light is able to reach my plants in every single corner of the bag. And as I said, this is the 3x3. I have a 4x2 that I'm not going to put up until I relocate, but I should be able to grow a fair amount of food inside my home during the winter or during the summer or any. On the floor of the tent itself, you're looking at the deep water culture system that Mars-Hydro has. This is the 2-bucket system. It came with the pump as well. I'm able to have 2 plants being serviced at once, and it's pretty good. I like it. I don't have any complaints or anything like that, and I will continue to use it in the future. So overall, the Mars Grow Tent and the TS1000 and the FC3000 have been a godsend for me. It has helped me grow so many more vegetables and stuff with minimal effort as far as starting the seeds. So as I mentioned, once I get situated up there, I'm going to put the tent back up. Now that I know how simple it is, it should take 15 minutes at the most, maybe, to put it back in, to put it back up rather. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to use various seed trays. I have 162 cell tree seed tray, and I think I have some smaller ones that I haven't packed away yet. I have to find those. And once I get it set up, I'm going to go ahead and make up some seed startings on medium, and that will consist of cocoa coir and either vermiculite or perlite. And I'm going to start my seeds. In the previous video, I showed you what my intent is to start. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And by the time that everything gets delivered, the seeds would have popped, and I will be feeding them, and they should be moving along nicely. So a couple weeks, 3 to 4 weeks on down the road, they should be ready to be planted into their new home or up potted. I really don't like up potting too much, but if necessary, I will do that as well. So if you're interested in anything of the Mars-Hydro persuasion, head over to their website. The link for them is listed in the description portion of the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to click the notification bell all so that you will be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.